friends, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I wanted to go over today, I had just switched my bag from my Miss Fong Love and Peace mini backpack, and I got this for Mother's Day, and I've been carrying it on and off, and I absolutely love this bag. So I wanted to show you, this is the Daisy Rose like Louis Vuitton dupe. It does not have any kind of monogramming or name branding or anything on it other than inside the actual bag, which I will show you when we get there. But I wanted to kind of go around the outside. I got this for Mother's Day, like I said, and I've been carrying it on and off. I traveled with it. I really have used this bag, and it has held up so nice. I mean, these are the handles. There's no peeling, no cracking, no fraying of the thread. It's still attached. There's no pulling on any of the stitching. I mean, this is all still in fantastic shape, looks brand new. Beautiful bag. I absolutely love it. If you are a new mom or even just a mom like myself, it's a great bag. It would be a great diaper bag. It's a great tote. The colors are fantastic. It has really great hardware. Hang on, let's see if I can get it to focus here. It has really great hardware. The material, I want to say it's maybe the outside, I don't know if you can tell, it is a coated canvas, which I mean, the quality, you guys, for, I think it was 50 bucks. The quality is fantastic. The gold is still gold. It has not faded anywhere on the bag. I mean, this is the front or back because it's the same on both sides. Again, I mean, perfect condition, and I've been using it May, June, July, August, September, October. So 5 months. I mean, here's the branding I was talking about here. The Daisy Rose branding. I've used this. I've not abused it because I like to take care of my bags because I'm kind of a hoarder and really enjoy my bags. But this is the bottom, and of course I do have a smudge because guess what, guys, it's real life and I do use this, but it'll wipe off because this is really cleanable material. So anyways, let me set the camera up so I can get into the bag and show you the Daisy Rose Neverfull dupe. Okay guys, here I have the camera all set up now. It's full. I'm the classic overpacker. I tend to have more than I need to, I guess. So here is just a 31 packable tote that I like to carry around just in case I have 4 children and in case I have an art project, or you know, they pick up a really cool rock or stick, because let's be real, that happens all the time and we have to bring it home. So I carry this for those kinds of occasions, and in case I run into, say, like CVS or the grocery store for a couple little random items. I like to have this because I can't stand having 8 billion trash bags at my house. This is just a Jujube Passy Pod that I have. In it, I carry masks. So I keep that hooked to this side here. There's a D-ring on this side, and I keep that hooked to it so that I can quickly grab my mask if I need to go in somewhere. And then on the carabiner here, I have a little flashlight that I like to have for looking in this in a dark area, like if it's nighttime in the car and I need to grab something, or the kids were over at grandma's house and the kids want to go, you know, looking for toads at night or whatever. I keep that in there. Too much information, I know. I'll try to hurry up. And then I have just my Bluetooth headphones on the top, just kind of randomly sitting there. So over in the corner here, I'll start, is just the pouch that comes with the Daisy Rose bag. And I have this, and it's open, but it's got the same red as the inside of the bag. It's great quality. It has a strap on it that you can hook, if I can do this here, you can hook it to the bag at that D-ring and it won't go anywhere. Or I like to use this as a wristlet, so I just keep it hooked to itself on the D-ring here, and I keep it empty so that way. And let me tell y'all, the zippers on this are, this thing is so smooth. I love it. But I keep it in the side here because if I have to go run into a store, I don't want to carry this in the store. Like, this is solely for sitting on my front passenger seat or on the floorboard if my husband's driving. That way I know that I have everything I need while we're out. But if I'm running into a store, I can just carry my wristlet, throw my wallet and my phone and my keys in it, pop a mask on, and I'm good to go. So I keep that empty on the side here. And on this zipper, which again is absolutely beautifully buttery smooth, inside I carry my Kimber pepper spray. You do have a clasp here, which I do, if it is on the seat, I typically do clasp this so that way I can have a little bit more security in case it does fall or roll around a little bit. I know nothing's gonna truly fall out. But so anyways, let me move on. I have in this is also a Daisy Rose. It's a key pouch. It has a key leash on here, but in here I just carry change. I have some free Culver's custard, my dad's challenge coin. I carry cash when I have cash in there. In this, let me see if I go around. Okay, so you can't see it from the outside or from on top, but this is my Bribery Station. I don't know if you can see in here. In here I have a thing of mints and a thing of gum. And I am not afraid to use or opposed to use bribery. So if I have children that are needing a little bit more, you know, encouragement, we shall say, I use this to kind of get them, you know, on the right track. So, and then in this pocket, I just have my Dagny Dover accordion wallet. And that carries, like, this has my ID and just my cards that I use on a regular. And then I have in this one another Dagny Dover card case that I just carry, like, my homeschool, my teacher ID, my extra loyalty cards, those kinds of things in there. And then in this fossil bag here, I love this bag. It's a set. It's a wipeable material, and I have some snacks because there are 6 people in my family and they're all men besides me. So we need to eat. They need to eat so that they're, you know, kept happy and satisfied. So we have some of the Nature's Bar, the fig bars. We have them in the blueberry and the raspberry. Yeah, raspberry. We have some granola bars and we have some fruit leather. So we keep that in there to keep the menfolk happy. And then I also, just in here, I have some Huggies wipes, some antibacterial wipes, and some tissues. And in this middle piece, I have a bunch of random stuff. I have toothpicks. I have some thinking putty because this helps with my anxiety and my 11-year-old's anxiety. I have another Go Silly straw because I need multiple Go Silly straws. I have a tape measure because I sew and I'm sew for other people. I have about 1.5 billion of the lens wipes because my sunglasses, my husband's sunglasses, my regular glasses. I have batteries, and I have a safety pin and a little screwdriver. It's a Phillips head on one side and flathead on the other for glasses repair, or I keep these in here. These go to the boogie board that I use for my boys to keep them occupied. I have a pocket knife because why not? A pocket knife is good for everything. So that's what I have in that pouch, that zipper pocket. And let me turn the bag around here and give you a view of this side. So on this side, it does have 2 slip pockets. The slip pockets are very, very generous. This is an iPhone and I still have, 2 fingers width left in the pocket to play with. And this one is a little narrower this way. Let's see if I can get this to kind of zoom in so you can see it better. It's a little bit narrower this way, but it's deeper this way. And so in here I have my lip clip that I made. I have my Patriots helmet, my car keys, my house key, those things, that's all in here. And I usually have it on a No Venture silicone key ring, but why are we going blurry here? But my Piper girl, my dog, decided that it would be a fun thing to chew on. So it's my fault for leaving it on the coffee table. Now, why are we not focusing here? Okay, in this back pocket here, I just have a Peanuts pen that has a little stamp on it that has all those colors. This is like my kids' activity thing. I have a play pack. I have just a Toy Story pad of paper, a word hunt, and a Sudoku. So like it's for any of my kids. If we're out and about and they get bored, they have a little something that they can do on their, keep them occupied. I'm gonna have to fix that later. There we go, that's good enough. Okay, so in this pocket here, I have the smallest set in that 3-pack of the Fossil, and I just have, this is like a mini first aid kit. I have Motrin, Pepto, Neosporin, Band-Aids, some Clear Eyes, migraine medication for myself and my son, and in the bottom I just have some Afterbite and a pair of tweezers. And that slides right perfectly in there, so I can just grab it. In here, we got some, a girl thing. You never know. And then I have, in this pocket here, I just have an Papermate Inkjoy pen. This is my favorite pen. If you have not tried them, I highly, highly, highly suggest. Why is this not? What in the world is going on here? Let me see. So this is just my Belle. We are huge Disney fans in this family. This is just a little pad of paper. I have a Rocket book that I carry. But I have found lately, I don't know why, but other people don't carry pad and paper. And so if somebody needs to write something down and I need to give it to them, I need to be able to tear it off. And in my Rocketbook, it's a reusable notebook, so you can't really tear it off. So next I have some Gold Bond hand cream, which is the best, some hand sanitizer spray, and this is the middle of that 3-pack of Fossil pouches. And this just has like all my beauty stuff in it. Has lip glosses and lip butter, lip pencil, a little foldable brush and mirror combo, some oil blotting, a glass nail file, some cuticle oil, a hair tie, Tide to Go pen, Kate Spade twirl. That's my, oh, I love that smell. It's so pretty and feminine and girly, and I love it. Let that be easier. This just has a pad in it because you never know, and you don't ever want to be caught without. So, and then this last little pocket here, I have a reusable charger and a cord for my phone. And that is it, guys. That is everything in my purse. And I know it's a whole heck of a lot, but that's what I carry. That's what keeps me and my family happy and my anxiety levels down. So that is how I roll. And it's not, I mean, it's not too bad. And with the amount of crap I have in here, the amount of crap I keep in here, all of this in here together, I still cannot believe that there is no tearing, none of the stitching is coming up, nothing. I mean, it's really substantially packed. No threads have come undone. I highly recommend this. I'm actually going to be ordering this in the snakeskin print because I think that would be really fun for winter. It's creams and light grays and very neutral, very cool, like a winter white. I think this is fantastic for fall. This is why I went back to carrying it. And I love the versatility of being able to use it as a tote, carrying all my stuff. Oh, and I can throw, like, I'll throw a water bottle, but I typically just have a water bottle in like the console of my car. But I love that I can just throw my wallet, my keys, and in here, go into a store and not have to carry this whole thing, and I'm done, and it's easy peasy. I love it. I hope you do too. If you like this video and want to see more, please subscribe, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.